MPW has a long, proud history of serving Muscatine, with the electric utility dating back to almost 100 years now. And local power generation really has been a cornerstone of that, producing our own electricity here in Muscatine all the way from the beginning of when the utility was established. And that low cost, reliable energy really has been a building block and an economic advantage to our community over that time. I've mentioned in other forums that we undertook a very comprehensive strategic planning session last year that built into our 2021 strategic plan. I won't go through the entire plan today, but we'll be focusing on strategy 4, which is our Powering the Future initiative. Under strategy 4 are really 4 key objectives that we'll dig into a little bit today. The first is to expand our renewable portfolio. The second is to investigate replacement options for our local resources. The third is we want to reduce our environmental impact. And then the fourth objective is to ensure that we transition our power supply in a way that's very reliable and very safe for our employees and customers. Digging a little bit further into the objectives, you can see one of the things we're going to be doing is investigating the development of a 30 megawatt local solar farm to serve the Muscatine community. We're also going to continue to track customer interest in renewable energy offerings to make sure that we're keeping up with the customer demand for those types of offerings and can meet their needs. As I mentioned, we will investigate replacement resources for our local resources we have now. And as you can see from the graphic there, we've set some very aggressive carbon reduction targets over the next decade with at least a 25% reduction by 2024 and at least a 65% reduction by the end of the decade. And I think with the plans we're putting together so far, we can outperform that, but these are some very aggressive targets for us to hit. In the meantime, though, it is crucial that we continue to operate our existing assets in a way that's reliable and safe. And that means that our local power plant employees and assets remain extremely valuable to this community in the coming years.